Understanding idioms. To be a good egg. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of our English Idioms series. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, to be a good egg. This expression might sound a bit peculiar at first, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, to be a good egg, is an idiomatic expression in English. It refers to a person who is pleasant, dependable, and trustworthy. Interestingly, the word egg in this context has nothing to do with the food item. Instead, it symbolizes something whole, unbroken, and good. When someone is called a good egg, it's a compliment, meaning that they are considered a good person or a reliable friend. The origin of the phrase, to be a good egg, is quite fascinating. It is believed to have originated in the early 20th century. Initially, it was used among English schoolboys to describe someone as a good fellow or a good sport. Over time, the usage of this expression spread, and now it's widely understood in various English-speaking cultures. To fully grasp the usage of this idiom, let's look at some examples. Even though it was raining, he helped me move my furniture. He's really a good egg. You can always count on Samantha. She's a good egg, always ready to lend a hand. In these examples, the phrase is used to appreciate someone's good nature or helpful behavior. While using this phrase, it's important to note that it's mostly used in informal contexts. It can be seen as old-fashioned or endearing, so it's best used among friends or in a light-hearted setting. Being called a good egg is definitely a compliment, so feel free to use it when you want to express appreciation for someone's goodness or reliability. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, to be a good egg. We hope this video has been informative and that you're now more confident in using this charming idiom in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural nuances of expressions. So, keep practicing, and don't forget to be a good egg to those around you. See you in the next video.